Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively without getting bored. First, identify your personal learning style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, to customize your approach. Then, divide your study material into smaller, digestible chunks. This makes the task less daunting and helps maintain focus. Finally, establish specific, realistic goals for each session, perhaps aiming to cover just one chapter or solve 5 problems. To keep boredom at bay, engage in active learning. Instead of just rereading, try summarizing what you've learned in your own words. This forces your brain to process and recall information. Another powerful technique is to teach the material to someone else. Explaining it solidifies your understanding. Also, regularly quiz yourself with flashcards or practice problems to actively retrieve information, which is far more effective than passive review. Prevent burnout by incorporating strategic breaks and variety. Aim for a 5 to 10-minute break after every 50 minutes of focused study. This helps reset your concentration. Consider changing your study location occasionally. A new setting can stimulate your mind. Furthermore, avoid studying one subject for too long. Instead, alternate between 2 or 3 different subjects during a longer study period to keep things interesting and prevent mental fatigue. Finally, optimize your motivation and environment. Set up a reward system for yourself, perhaps a 10-minute break for a favorite activity after completing a tough section. Ensure your study area is tidy and free from clutter, as a clean space promotes a clear mind. Crucially, minimize distractions by turning off phone notifications and closing unnecessary browser tabs. A focused environment significantly boosts productivity and reduces boredom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.